Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of Skylearn Academy, in which currently I'm posting videos of SAP Solution Manager 7.2 related to different functionalities. And today we are going to cover up of system recommendations from Solution Manager. The system recommendation is nothing but missing security nodes and patches in your entire landscape in which SAP Solution Manager is installed and all systems are connected to Solution Manager. So today we'll start how the system recommendations and comes and what are the options available in the tile and how can we use that functionality. So you can see I'm on home page of my launchpad of SAP Solution Manager, and from here I will navigate. I'll go to this menu and go to change management. In change management you will get many of other tiles. So today we will cover up the system recommendations. We'll just click on this tile. It will open a new window which seems like this, and we can see here the first system recommendations, the system overview, which is a main tile name. Here the all types of systems included in this, and if I segregate between the different types of system, so ABAP, HANA DB and Java systems, these are the technical name of the system, the IT admin role which is maintained in LMDB, priority of the system, and these are different options comes in uh, notes: security notes, hot news, performance notes, legal change note, and license audit notes. So if we want to see that which all notes are available, as example, if I talk about the we can see in security notes there's nothing, there's no security notes pending in the system. It means there's no security note released by SAP to be implemented in your managed system or your solution manager. So just we go through by the hot news. We'll just click on hot news which is coming here. Now there are different options. I'll go through that, all tiles, all options available in that. So from here we can filter the system. So currently we have selected A4H ABAP. Next, here the released date of the correction note. If you want to see the notes released between 1st of May to 1st of June, so first what you have to do, just you have to click on 1st of May. You have to go in and 31st of 1st of June. So 1st of May to 1st of June, and here the note types, what all notes type you want to see. So we have clicked hot news, but from here you can also select many more if you want. Here the priority of the notes, what type of priority we are looking: hot news, correction with high priority, medium priority, low priority, or recommendations, or additional info. So we will go by the hot news, or we can select this as well. Many times many we can select. From here we will see that how many are notes available. A processing status we will show as undefined, and we'll go click on start to click on go to see how many notes are available. So we can see that in 1st May to 1st June we have 6 notes released from SAP, and these are the notes: short text, release date, application, priority, support package applicable to, category, implementation status which is new, processing status which is undefined, correction type, and attributes. So these options are available. There is also one option that we can select all and download into CSV file, and which can be downloaded from here as well, and your team is required to implement this note as per your options or as per scenarios or as per a process defined in your company. There are two more options which I like to show here is actions, and the second option is integrated desktop notification actions. So first I'll see that if the implementation status is new, it will show here. If I click on the processing status, I'm having these many of options enabled in SAP Solution 7.2. So if I want to make changes here, just I need to click, give the comment and save. So it will be disappear from this screen and it will go into different status. So currently we are seeing that all implementation status is new, but if we make changes in the implementation status, then it will come from new version or updated. Or there are other versions as well, like if I click here that postponed, irrelevant, so that we can also select, and that once you select, it will disappear from this list. These actions are object list prerequisites or side effect nodes, or you can also change the status if you want to change in mass. And these are the some options which can be used for other purpose as well, based on the how your note is going to implement in manage system or SAP solution manager. So all these options are available by default from SAP solution manager, and you can also use these to check whether your landscape is up to date, or do we have any security notes or any of these notes missing in your landscape. So you can use that. And if you like my this video, please subscribe my channel and please share this video with your friends, and please request your friends to like as well subscribe my channel to get new videos on different topics of SAP solution managers. And if you want a specific topic to be added in video at first, kindly comment in the comment box, and based on your requirement I'll go and provide one video for you as well. Thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.